Welcome to Little Paws of Iowa. Today we're going to be going over Tootsie and Chase's litter of F1bb tiny Bernedoodles. There we go. These puppies were born on July 11 and they will be 8 weeks old and ready for homes on September 5. Right now they're about 5 weeks old. We expect these F1bb tiny Bernedoodles to weigh 18 to 20 pounds when they're full grown. There was a range of sizes in this litter, so we will list them out in this video, and you can also find them on the website by their 5-week pictures. There were 6 puppies in this litter, 2 males and 4 females. We'll start with the males and then go over the females. Here are the 2 males, Gerald and Milton. Here in the brown collar is our first male, Gerald. Gerald has a beautiful tricolor coat, mostly black, with brown markings on his face and on his legs. He has a good amount of white on his chest and on all 4 paws, as well as on the tip of his tail. He is the bigger of the 2 males, weighing 5.5 pounds. And here in the green collar is Milton, the second male. Milton has a mostly black and white coat with brown markings on his face. He is the smaller of the 2 males, and he weighs 3.8 pounds. Next up are the females, Margie, Millie, Roxie, and Winnie. Here in the pink collar is the first of the females, Margie. She is the smallest puppy in this litter, weighing 3.1 pounds. She has a mostly black and white coat with brown markings on her face. Next in the yellow collar is Millie, our second female. She is the biggest puppy in this litter, weighing 6 pounds. She has a mostly black and white coat with some slight brown markings on her face and near her tail. Next in the leopard collar is Roxie, our third female. She has a light apricot and white coat, and she's pretty average size for the litter, weighing in at 4.9 pounds. And lastly, in the sunshine collar is Winnie, our fourth female. She has a beautiful apricot and white coat, and she is on the smaller end of the litter, weighing 3.5 pounds. And that was Tootsie's 4 females. And that was Tootsie and Chase's litter of F1bb tiny Bernedoodles. Again, these puppies will be 8 weeks old and ready for homes on September 5. You can go to our website, littlepawsiowa.com, for more information and current availability, and you can also find their updated 5-week pictures there as well. Be sure to check out our training and delivery options if you would like a few weeks of training before your puppy comes home, or if you need your puppy delivered by car or plane.